Good afternoon, everybody. It is 3:30 here on Friday afternoon on the 17th of February. Great to have you join me. Thank you so much. God bless you today. I hope you had a good week and I hope you have a great weekend. I want to share some results here. I've been tinkering with StructureBoss, and one of the markets very few people look at, which I think is kind of to their detriment, is the UltraBonds. The UltraBonds, 30-year UltraBonds. It's a heavyweight contract. It's a large value per tick and has a high margin typically. But if this whole outbreak of funded accounts has, pursuing evaluation accounts and getting the ability to trade, fund capital, margin isn't a big issue, right? So let's take a look at trading the UltraBonds with our tool here with StructureBoss. So I was doing a little quick rundown, basically a 1 minute chart. Basically, I pulled up the defaults for StructureBoss, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are great days. We've got some good numbers, 78% on Thursday, so we definitely want to look at that on Thursdays. And this is for a trending signal. Again, a trending signal is like this green triangle here. The base of the triangle is going up. We have new highs being put in. We have higher lows coming in. We have higher highs coming in. And we're looking at expanding on that. So we go and we buy at this green level. And we do 2 ticks above the high of that swing. So, if you got filled here or not, that is, where it would be going long, and stops would be down here. Stops are down here at this red line. So, considering that option, that trend signal, we've got some really good Monday through Thursday gains. But Friday falls out of bed completely. So Friday is not a good way to trade this approach. But I did a quick flip on the head, and just by merely turning our trending signal into a reversing signal, it makes a huge difference on Fridays. Give it a minute to pull up, and look at that. We have reversed our profit and loss here. We're negative $1,000. Now we're up for $1,000. So this is over the last 30 days, trading days. About 10 trades a day. So, 30 trading days. We've actually done 41 trades on Friday, so it's about 4 trades per Friday. But our win percentage is huge, 88%, 39.69. Tell you what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and focus in on just trading on Friday. I'm going to turn off all of the trades on other days. We'll just go on Friday. So again, we've got 6 Fridays in our analysis period, so we've got 6 weeks. We're doing about 7 trades a day, and we're pulling in $661 on average. And this is trading 1 contract on each signal. The max drawdown was $563, and that's about 14% of the P&L. P&L is $39.69. And our average drawdown is $344. Our average drawdown is a nice under 9% of the P&L. Take a look at dispositions. One of the trades was end of day exit, so $63. It's 2 ticks. We've had 4 stop loss hits at a loss of $13.44. We've had 2 go to target, and 2 go to target equals $1,063 in gain. And our trailing stop has come in again and saved us and done a pretty good job. So 34 trailing stops were hit, and that's where a majority of our gain came in at $4,313. So the targets and the stop losses roughly out, knock each other out, and then our trailing stops come in. So trailing stop is proving essential here. Excuse me. Okay, so let's take a look at how this shakes out today. So let's go back to the early part of the day. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. UB's opened up, I think they opened about 9:20 our time, Eastern time, regular trading hours. So here is the first reversing signal is this gray triangle right here. Now once the trade comes closed out, the triangle turns gray to tell us it's kind of a knocked out signal. So we would have gone short here, and the stop would have taken us out, a full stop. So we had a stop right off the bat. That is, it's a good size loss, $312. So we lost 10 ticks on that trade. But now we come into three others actually. So here, and here, these three trades come in. We're looking again for the reversals. So this is a downtrending market, a new low is being put in. We go and we buy at the blue dot. Here's another one. We have another triangle where the zigzag is showing a downward move. We're going to be buying at that high. Here's another one where we have a new low coming in. We buy at the high plus a tick or two. And we get up to that level, and we get our trailing stop comes in, and we get stopped out. So those three alone. Excuse me, my voice is going out. I don't talk this much usually. So we had one trade at plus 343, another position at plus 250, and let's see, this guy is also, he's going to be around 218. So just on those three trades, 218, 250, and 343, we did really well this morning. So let's take a look how that played out a little further in the day. So we had another reversing signal come in. This is a reversing signal. We go and sell below the break of that low. We do get filled right in that area, and we get stopped out probably on a trailing, right? We get hit on a trailing signal, and that is a gain of 218. So lovely, lovely trade. Now, we have a reversal signal going upward. This is another trade. This is a downward move, right? We have a new low getting put in, and we buy at the high of this breakout. So we went long right about this area. Our stop is down here at the bottom of the triangle. Stop doesn't get hit, but we do end up getting our trailing stop hit. So trailing stop is pretty aggressive. We are moving it up pretty quickly, but we come in with a gain of 125 on that trade. Excuse me. Here's another one where we had another descending triangle, go on a buy of the reverse, and we get hit, and actually we get stopped out pretty quick, probably gained a tick on that one. And that's it. That's where we are today, right now at the 3:36 in the afternoon. Not a bad way to trade, right? Not a bad way to trade. You know, there's a lot of money to be made. You don't have to be in the stock indexes and the equity indexes, futures. Let's take a look at the overall P&L. So nice, pretty smooth. This is probably our big drawdown that hit here. We did pretty well. So we're up 120 ticks at the end of a little over that at the 120 ticks. Here's our time slice P&L. So what we do here is we look at our wins and losses on every slice of time of the day. So we start at I think we're starting our analysis at 8:20 in the morning. No, 8 o'clock. My bad. 8 o'clock to 1600 hours, so a full day. So here we go. We see some good trades coming in right off the bat. The first time slice, which was from 8 o'clock to 8:25. So the first 25 minutes of the day, we've gotten 3 and 1. So 3 out of 4 trades are a winner. Here we've got 4 out of 5 trades as a winner, and 4 out of 4 trades as a winner. So we're doing pretty good. Trading this strategy in the early morning hours here works out pretty well. Now, between 9:15 and 9:40, we do see a weakening of the system. It just hasn't been performing well over the last 6 Fridays. And we have a 60% win rate. End up losing 14 ticks. But then we come in pretty heavy. Now this is at the open, so 9:40 to 10:05. Definitely want to be considering this setup. So we got 5 out of 5 trades are winners, gaining 46 ticks. 46 ticks at $31 a tick. Got some cash there. About 8 ticks per trade. We do have a losing period right after that. You don't want to be trading Friday reversals between 10:05 and 10:30, right? Then the rest of the day we do have some good periods. These first two are something to think about. This is up through 11:20, so right about lunchtime you probably want to pull back on your trading. So if we were to cut out these trades, we'd lose a little bit on our P&L, but it's kind of flatline. Commissions might just make it break even. These numbers are not considering commissions, so if your commissions are $5, that's something to think about. But with a heavy size contract, it's kind of a no-brainer. Give consideration to that. So we're looking at a target risk to reward of 2-to-1. So we'll shoot for a 2 target on the reward side versus 1 each unit risked. Trailing stop is we do engage it. It's a 1.5 ATR trailing stop, so that's pretty aggressive. And we have a zigzag value of 0.1%. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna monkey with this a little bit. Let's go to like a 2.1 trailing stop. Let's see if that affects our P&L. Not much. No, not too much there. Let's do another trailing stop. Let's make it big. Let's go 3.1. Well, that is a healthy move. So we just doubled our P&L by increasing the trailing stop. If we make it something ridiculous where we actually turn off the trailing stop, something huge, basically we're turning it off. Where are we at here? So we're actually gaining $7,000 on these trades here on Fridays. I'm going off the chart. I gotta fix that. Must be a bug in the plotting. But we do very well by actually just removing the trailing stop. If I click on that, it turns the trailing stop feature off completely. Let's see how that brings in. Yeah, that's about the same, 79.06. Well, that's something to consider. I don't usually run without a trailing stop, but it could definitely make a difference. If we tighten that up, let's go to 0.9 trailing stop. So we're back down to 38.44. So that's a nice robust number. I don't have a problem with that, right? That's about $641 a day. Let's take a look at our zigzag. Now, zigzag heavily influences most trading days, most profitability. Let's make this 50% higher, so 0.15%. Watch our P&L here. Let's see. Increasing a zigzag definitely cuts down on the numbers of signals and can really make a difficult situation. Well, actually here, it might not be finding any trades at all. Increasing the zigzag could have that effect. If we go too high, we end up cutting out signals. All right. Ninja does not like me increasing the zigzag level. Alright, well, hey, my Ninja is freaking out. Covered what I wanted to cover. I hope that was informational for you. I think we got some good info. Take a look at the UB market. I'll try and take a closer dive too into the ZN, which is the 10-year note, and maybe even the ZF, but something to think about. Folks, it's been a pleasure. I hope you had a good trading week. It's about 3:43 right now. I'm going to be heading out. We've got to buy some pizzas tonight, right? Have some good pizzas. So thanks again. I wish you all the best in your weekend, and see you next week. Happy Washington's birthday on Monday. I think the markets are closed, so we will see you later. God bless and take care.